Hi everyone, this video on applying and using filters in Google Sheets is from a lesson in our Google Sheets Crack the Code workbook, which is a workbook filled with dozens of videos, practice problems, and lessons to help you master the basics and fundamentals of Google Sheets. If you are interested in grabbing the full workbook, which is full of things I've learned in my 2+ years as a professional spreadsheet creator, I will leave a link to the workbook in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go through filters, and specifically we are going to go through the practice section of this lesson because that's going to show us exactly how to use them. So scrolling down to the bottom of this lesson, here is our practice section. Now the very first thing that we want to do is remove the existing filter which is applied to this example table. To do this, all we have to do is go to the upper toolbar and click this button to remove the filter. And just like that, it is removed. Now we want to apply the filter to our table. So to do that, we are going to select the table, making sure that we are including the headers, and we're going to go back up to this button and click Create a Filter. And now the filter is applied. Next, we are going to sort by grade in descending order so that the highest grade should be at the top and the lowest grades should be at the bottom. To do this, we are going to click these three little lines next to the grade column. And when we click it, we are going to go up and click Sort Z to A. And once we do that, the entire table should automatically be sorted with the highest grades at the top and the lowest grade at the bottom. Now we are also going to use this filter to add a condition. The condition that we want to add is that we only want to see the grades that are greater than or equal to 85. To do this, we are once again going to click these three lines next to grade, and we are going to go to Filter by Condition, and then we are going to scroll down, and under Filter by Condition, we are going to scroll to greater than or equal to, add in our 85, and at the bottom, click OK. And now we see our grades in descending order, and we only see the grades that are greater than or equal to 85, which matches this image to the right. We can also do other things, such as if we wanted to sort by last names, we could do this. So I'm going to go to Sort A to Z, which it already is, so let me show Sort Z to A. And now the table is sorted by the last names from Z to A. If we want to undo a condition, we can click on where a condition is applied, and we can change it to none at the top and apply this. And that is how to use filters in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you to learn how to use filters.